Today, we're stepping inside a fascinating factory in Dongguan, China, where highly realistic silicone human figures are carefully designed and manufactured. These lifelike creations are the result of advanced engineering, skilled craftsmanship, and modern manufacturing technology. The process begins inside a design studio. Using photographs provided by customers, designers create a highly detailed 3D digital model with professional modeling software. In some cases, artificial intelligence is used to generate entirely fictional characters that can later be transformed into realistic human figures. This digital blueprint determines every detail, including facial features, height, body proportions, and overall appearance. Once the design is finalized, engineers begin constructing the internal skeleton. Just like the human body relies on bones for support, these silicone figures are built around a durable stainless steel frame. This metal skeleton provides strength, flexibility, and natural movement. Around the steel frame, technicians add specialized lightweight foam. Since silicone is naturally heavy, the foam reduces overall weight while also creating a soft, muscle-like feel beneath the outer surface. One of the most impressive engineering features is the hands. Each finger contains miniature joints that closely resemble those of a human hand, allowing the fingers to bend naturally and hold objects. Because high-quality platinum silicone is extremely durable, these flexible joints can move repeatedly without easily tearing the surrounding material. With the internal structure complete, the next step is creating the body itself. Inside the factory, large industrial systems inject liquid platinum silicone into precision molds surrounding the internal skeleton. Pressure is carefully controlled so the silicone spreads evenly throughout every part of the mold, eliminating air bubbles and ensuring consistent quality. Some models may also include optional electronic components, such as voice modules or interactive systems, depending on customer specifications. After the mold is completely filled, it remains at a controlled temperature overnight while the silicone cures and solidifies. The following day, technicians carefully open the mold to reveal the newly formed figure. Excess silicone is trimmed away by hand until every surface is perfectly smooth. Although the body is complete, the most time-consuming stage has only just begun. Artists now begin the skin finishing process. Using carefully blended pigments, they recreate the subtle tones found in real human skin. Tiny veins, freckles, and natural color variations are painted entirely by hand, requiring years of artistic experience. Specialized airbrush equipment is then used to apply multiple translucent layers of color. Each layer is heat-cured in industrial ovens, permanently bonding the pigments with the silicone surface to create a long-lasting finish. Realistic acrylic or glass eyes are installed next, giving each figure a remarkably lifelike appearance. Perhaps the most painstaking stage is the hair implantation process. Instead of using adhesives, technicians implant individual eyebrow hairs and eyelashes one strand at a time using an ultra-fine 0.116 millimeter needle. This labor-intensive method produces a much more natural appearance and significantly improves durability. For scalp hair, specialized machines implant thousands of strands in precise rows before professional stylists trim, shape, and style the hair by hand. Completing the hairstyle alone can sometimes require several days of meticulous work. Today, China, Japan, and the United States are among the largest markets for these highly realistic silicone figures. Beyond collectors, artists, and photographers, they are also used for product displays, medical training, film production, and special effects industries where lifelike human models are required. However, these products also raise important ethical and social questions. Experts caution that excessive emotional dependence on artificial human figures may reduce real-world social interaction for some individuals. In addition, maintaining silicone figures requires careful cleaning and regular care to prevent bacterial or fungal growth on the material. As artificial intelligence, robotics, and advanced materials continue to evolve, the line between machines and humans becomes increasingly blurred. Whether these technologies ultimately become a benefit or a challenge for society remains an ongoing discussion. What do you think? Are hyper-realistic artificial humans an impressive technological achievement, or do they raise concerns about the future of human relationships? Share your thoughts in the comments.